Imagine two people looking at the exact same stock chart. One is an investor, the other is a trader. Same market, same price, but completely different mindset. And that mindset decides everything: patience, decisions, emotions, results. An investor starts with one question: is this a good business? A trader starts with a different question: is this a good trade? For an investor, the stock is a small ownership in a company. They care about the company's future, growth, profits, and management. They think in years, sometimes decades. If the price falls today, they ask, has the business changed? If the business is still strong, they may even buy more. But a trader doesn't marry a stock. A trader dates a stock for a short time only: minutes, hours, days, maybe weeks. A trader doesn't care if the business will grow after 5 years. They only care what the price will do next, up or down. That's it. Investors study fundamentals: earnings, revenue, balance sheets, long-term trends, industry outlook. They believe value will reflect in price over time. They know the market moves like a pendulum, sometimes overvalued, sometimes undervalued. But over the long run, price tends to follow business performance. Traders study charts, price action, support, resistance, volume, indicators, and market psychology. They believe everything is already inside the price. The price is the truth. News doesn't matter unless it moves the chart. Now let's talk about time. An investor's clock runs slow. They think like this: where will this company be after 5, 10 years? They accept market crashes. They accept volatility. They understand compounding. They know wealth needs time. But a trader's clock runs fast. Where will the price be in the next 5 minutes or tomorrow? They don't wait for compounding. They hunt for opportunities: quick entries, quick exits, risk reward, position sizing, stop loss. Emotionally, investors fight fear and impatience. They often doubt during market corrections. They hear the news, panic spreads. But experienced investors remind themselves volatility is normal. Traders fight a different emotional battle: greed when price moves in their favor, fear when price goes against them, hope when they don't follow stop loss, regret when they exit too early or too late. A disciplined trader knows rules matter more than opinions. Risk management matters more than being right. Now let's talk about losses. Investors expect temporary paper losses. If the fundamentals are strong, they hold. Their goal is wealth creation: slow, steady compounding. Traders expect real booked losses. Small losses are part of the system. They survive not by avoiding losses, but by controlling them. For investors, averaging down can make sense if the company is strong. For traders, averaging down is usually dangerous because the setup has failed. Investors love dividends, stability, and long-term clarity. Traders love volatility and movement. A flat market bores traders, but investors don't mind as long as the company grows. Investors win with patience. Traders win with discipline. Investors often avoid leverage. Traders frequently use leverage, and that increases both profit and risk. Investors may check portfolios occasionally. Traders watch charts like a heartbeat monitor. But here's the key truth: neither is better. They're just different games with different rules. If an investor behaves like a trader, panic selling is common. If a trader behaves like an investor, they may stay stuck in losing positions. The real problem happens when someone doesn't know which one they are. An investor should ask, am I willing to hold this through ups and downs? A trader should ask, do I have a plan, stop loss, and exit strategy? Investing builds wealth slowly. Trading builds income only if done with skill and discipline. Investing rewards patience. Trading rewards precision. Investors study businesses. Traders study behavior. Investors sleep peacefully during market swings if they trust the companies they own. Traders may feel pressure every day because every decision is immediate. So before entering the market, decide your role clearly. Are you an investor building wealth for the long term, or a trader taking advantage of price movements? Both require knowledge. Both require emotional control. Both require respect for risk. But mixing them without clarity, That's where most people lose. Be clear, be disciplined, and choose the path that truly matches your mindset, patience level, and goals.